Convenor of Campaign for Just and Fair Delimitation JFD, Jitendra Ningomba, urged the government not to act against the people's ongoing movement, demanding no NRC, no census. He called for policy decisions that safeguard the future of indigenous population. The convener made these remarks during a public meeting jointly organized by residents of Pishumthong Oinam Lekai, Haubam Marak and Ningom Lekai at Pishumthong Kaithil. Addressing the gathering, Jitendra Ningomba stated that the unabated influx of illegal immigrants poses persistent threat to the indigenous communities. He warned that the leadership's silence, even as illegal immigrants demand a separate administration, is tantamount to enabling the erasure of native groups. Emphasizing protection of future generations, he questioned why authorities are reluctant to conduct census strictly for genuine citizens after identifying and filtering out illegal immigrants. He further questioned whether the state government bears no constitutional or moral responsibility to safeguard the land and its people. He urged the administration to give serious weight to the legitimate demands raised by JFD and the public. He maintained that the government must not act against the ongoing movement, reiterating the demand to first execute a thorough NRC before initiating any census enumeration in the state. The public meeting concluded with attendees chanting various slogans such as "No NRC, no census" and "No IDP settlement, no census" to register their protests.